Hammond Manufacturing's watertight, non-metallic enclosures are available in sizes ranging from 2.6 by 2.6 by 1.6 up to 11.8 by 9.5 by 4.7. They're well suited for applications in wet indoor or outdoor environments. All polycarbonate versions of the enclosures are molded with UV stabilized material, which carries a flammability rating of UL94 V-0. They are UL508 listed and are designed to meet IP66 and NEMA 4, 4X, 12, and 13 ratings. The economical ABS plastic versions are designed to meet IP66. They offer the same protection against water at a lower cost and are perfect for wet, indoor applications. CAD drawings and 3D models are available for immediate download from our website, so you can incorporate them into your design without delay. Watertight plastic enclosures and thousands of other Hammond products are available now from your favorite authorized Hammond distributor. Visit us online at www.hammondmfg.com.